The growing use of unmanned aerial vehicles requires ensuring their safe and efficient operation. The sophisticated mission planner Visionair has an advanced alarm panel including all the information required by the operator to monitor the aircraft status during the flight. The alarm system in Visionair ensures real-time reporting and visualization of critical events. Low and diagnostic priority alarms are discreetly shown, providing relevant information without overwhelming the operator during critical moments. High and medium priority alarms receive prominent display in the alarms panel, demanding immediate attention and swift action from operators. Visionair allows the final users to fully customize the alarms and hide those that are not relevant to the operation, thus enabling you to maintain focus on what's important. Visionair's flexible alarm configuration allows operators to customize alarms based on their priorities and requirements. The clear visualization of active alarms, real-time reporting, ensures successful UAV missions.